Okay, I'm going to share with you a little bit about what force copy is on the onboarding checklist. I have a template email saved in my Google Drive. So when I get a new business partner, I don't want to have to type that email every time. So I made a template. So I'm going to go to my three dots, templates, and here's my onboarding checklist. So after they register and they're a new business partner, I'm going to send them this email. So in this email, it says click this link and it will ask you to make a copy for yourself. So that's exactly what it's going to do. So I'm going to click this link. Okay. And when I click the link, it comes up to this and it says copy document. Would you like to make a copy? Yes, we're going to click this blue button, make a copy. And so now this copy belongs to my new business partner. It does not belong to me, it belongs to them. It lives in their Google Drive, not mine. So if I call this force copy, okay, if I call this force copy and rename it, you can call it John Doe or Jane Doe or whatever you want to name it. So now this lives in my new business partner's drive. I don't have access to it. So whenever they go to reopen this document, what they need to go to is their Google Drive. So they do not want to go back to the email and open it from the email. They want to go to their Google Drive. So let's reload the Google Drive. And now you can see here that force copy is that I just created right here, force copy. So now this is where the document lives. If I were to go back to my email, okay, every time I click this link, it does force copy. So it gives me a new copy, a new copy, a new copy. So if I've clicked this link 10 times, then I'm going to have 10 copies, separate copies of this document in my Google Drive. So we want to coach people to click the link one time and then go back to their Google Drive to open it. Now, the cool thing about this force copy is since I'm the original owner of the document, the onboarding document, if I make any changes to it, then the person, when they come back and click this link, they get the most up to date copy of it. So there might be a time that you want to click this link to get the most fresh copy, but that would be if there's been some major changes to it. So that is a little bit about the force copy.